Hello guys, let's talk about how you can stay relevant to your clients as a Webflow developer. As a Webflow developer, your clients expect you to be the expert who can deliver on their vision and design a website that meets their business needs. However, the web design industry is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest design techniques, tools, and trends to provide the best possible service to your clients. In this short video, we would explore what you must do as a Webflow developer to stay relevant to your clients. Number 1, understanding your client's business needs. To stay up to date as a Webflow developer, you must understand your client's business needs. This includes understanding their target audience, industry, and competition. By understanding their business needs, you can create a website that meets their objectives and deliver good results. Number 2, communicate effectively with your client. Effective communication is key to staying relevant to your clients. You must keep your clients informed to the progress of their project and be responsive to their suggestions and feedback. You should be able to explain technical concepts in a way that your clients can understand. Number 3, keep up with the latest design trends. One of the most important things you can do as a Webflow developer is to keep up with the latest design trends. And this includes understanding the latest design styles, layouts, and color schemes. You must also be aware of the latest design tools and technologies to ensure that your client's websites are optimized for speed, accessibility, and user experience. Number 4, deliver high quality work. To stay relevant to your clients, you must deliver high quality work that meets their expectations. This includes building a website that is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and is optimized for search engines. You must also ensure that your client's websites are responsive, which means they are optimized for different screen sizes and devices. Number 5, provide excellent customer service. Customer service are essential to stay relevant to your client as a Webflow developer. You must be responsive to your client's needs and be ready to answer any questions at all they may have. You should also be willing to provide ongoing support to make sure that their website is functioning properly and is up to date. The last one is offer additional services. To stay relevant to your clients, you have to offer additional services to complement your Webflow design skills. In conclusion, staying relevant to your clients as a Webflow developer requires ongoing learning, effective communication, high quality work, excellent customer service, and the ability to offer additional services. By following these tips, I'm sure you can deliver the best quality work to your clients and be able to stay relevant to them. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye for now.